Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. Again, we wish you a happy new year on the 2nd of January 2022. So, today we have a new opportunity for you, and this is from the Aga Khan Foundation, and it's the Aga Khan Scholarship in the session 2022 and 2023. We will discuss about this scholarship. It's a semi-funded scholarship. In some cases, it might be fully funded, and we'll show you how to apply as an international student to get to this scholarship program in the year 2022 and 2023. So it's the scholarship for this new year 2022 and 2023. We'll show you live application process and how to get one, how to fill the application form, and how to reach the end step of this scholarship and how to get the results also. Before we discuss that, I am reminding you and giving this opportunity to you, please do subscribe our YouTube channel, and we post daily videos. New scholarship videos are slogan, and to get to our new notifications, please press the bell notification icon so that you can receive the notifications first. Similarly, you can follow us on Instagram. Our username is full scholarships, and scholarship link is also given in the Instagram bio. You can also message us on Instagram and ask doubts regarding any of the scholarships posted here. And you can simply just subscribe before asking us questions so that we can easily derive your answers. And to get to this Aga Khan scholarship link, please check the video description. Link is given in the video description. Click on that link on the top of the description. It will take you to our website here. Once you land on this website, you can read the brief descriptions, host institutions, and field of study under this scholarship available. So here you can check field of studies also. After that, you can check the target groups. If your country is mentioned in the target group, please comment down your country below that. If you are mentioned in the list, please check the comment section and mention your comment. And you can also find the ones nearby ones around you. So here you can check scholarship value, inclusion, and duration of the scholarship. Also the eligibility criteria of the scholarship. And here you can check geographic scope, residency requirement, age limit, everything is mentioned on this. And now here you can check application instructions, and this is the very important part. So you have to contact the nearest Aga Khan Foundation office via email in your country and ask them about how to get the scholarship application form. We will show you that how to get that. And at the end of each web page there is an apply now button. You can check our YouTube video on the our YouTube channel. Here you can check all videos have their respective links in their respective descriptions. Just check the video description of any of the videos that you are eligible to. Click on the link, it will take you to the same website here. And each of our website have the web page have the apply now button at the given at the end of their page. So here you can check apply now button is given, and this yellow cut, I am scrolling my cursor here. Just click on this apply now button here. Once you click on that apply now button, it will take you to the official web page of Aga Khan Foundation, and here you can check international scholarship program. Now you can read these details by your own. So application just started in the 1st January 2022, and it will last up to the 31st of March. So deadline is the 31st of March 2022. So you have enough time. You have 3 months to prepare and apply for this scholarship, as this is the bit lengthy process to apply. But this those who are applied to this scholarship definitely get, and their success rate is 99% to get to this scholarship, as the application process is lengthy and it is a bit offline. So all those who apply to this scholarship definitely get scholarship, as many fail to apply to this scholarship as they find the process difficult. Here you can check eligibility, residency limit. We have curated details on our website earlier so that you can read the details first, so that if you find yourself eligible, then you can go to the official website, so you save your time. And please do subscribe our YouTube channel before we move further to the application procedure. Here you can check country offices are mentioned here. Now you have to find your country. If you are any from these any of the countries, then your deadlines are mentioned here. Similarly, you can check here. You can check the two links are given in the application procedure: Aga Khan offices or Aga Khan Education Service and Board. Just click on this AKF offices here so that you can check the whole list of the countries. Just click on this link here. Here you can check, I have clicked on that link. It took me to this web page, the contact address for Aga Khan Foundation. So here you can check countries are alphabetically mannered here. Now, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Egypt, any of the countries you might be from. If you are from any of these countries, please comment down below that which country are you from, and have you ever heard of this Aga Khan scholarship earlier. And if you have not heard about this, just message us in Instagram. Before messaging us, please do subscribe to your channel so that we can easily find your information and question your answer. Now here you can check, you can just contact any of the country, whichever you are from. You can contact the embassies, or just not embassies, the Aga Khan Foundation office in your country, and ask them how to fill the application part. Now you have found your country, you have found the address of your country. Now just click on that email and ask them how to get the application form. Once you tell them that I am going to apply, they will ask you eligibility. You consult, just exchange one or two emails. Once you have done that, they will send the application form like this. Here you can check, this application form is the from previous year, so this year it has just started, so we have not consulted the Aga Khan Foundation. We will do that soon, but application is absolutely same. Here is the application form. Just I am zooming it a little bit for you so that you can clearly read on this Aga Khan score. So here is the general information, and you have to check all details, and here are the application instructions. So once you have the application form, just complete that application form. So you don't have to write it by hand. Just open that link and you have to just enter the details so that you can clearly mention it on the laptop here, or you're using phone. So you have to just attach the photo offline. Just once you complete this application form, these are few pages, 5 to 6 pages. You have to complete all details here, write statements, every detail in the boxes, and fill the appropriate detail whichever is applicable to you according to your course. Once you have done with that, just scroll down. At the end there is an important message for the applicant. Then here you can check application submission checklist. So you have to check the application form. So you have completed application form. Once you have done that, just print that, sign that, and mention the date, and attach a passport size photograph. Once you are doing this, just tick these marks here, like I have done this, I have done this. Official university letter of admission. So if you have admission letter, if you have achieved admission any of the university, you just attach that official admission letter, that acceptance letter. And then if you have your estimate costs of your first year of your study, just tick that. If you have, then only tick that. If you can skip, otherwise. Now attach the transcripts, all the documents mentioned here, whichever is applicable to you. And after that, just mention these details also. And here is the important part. So now you have completed all the application form parts, attached all the documents. Now you have to carefully address, you have to send it to the address as the country is showing you. So whichever country is show, you might have the Aga Khan address, so you have to only send it via courier or post, not later than 22nd March. So you have to fill it before the application deadline. So just you don't have to email this application form, you have to attach all documents to this application form. This is similar to the Brunei application form. You have to write it details by computer or by type just on the phone, then print that, and later you have to send it to the MHRD department. Similarly, you have to print this application form, fill all details, attach photographs, sign it, then attach documents, and then mail it to the address mentioned on your country. So I hope this might be a bit lengthy for you, but it's definitely a success at the end of this scholarship. I hope and wishing you all the best with the happy new year. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel. I am signing off for Full Scholarships. Have a nice day ahead.